Becoming a millionaire is super simple. Here's why. Literally anyone could do it. It doesn't matter if you have an IQ of 140 or if you dropped out of college. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys, stay in school. All I'm trying to say is you don't need to be a genius or have unique abilities to become a millionaire. Look around you. We have AI, ChatGPT, and lots of amazing technology. It has never been this easy or cheap to start a business and make millions of dollars online and from the comfort of your home. In this video, I will be revealing 5 businesses that could potentially make you up to $30,000 every single month. The best part is, you don't need any technical skills, and they're quite cheap to start. Grab onto your seats because it's about to be a fun ride. In no particular order, number 1, faceless YouTube channels. The other day, I stumbled on a YouTube video about crazy tourist attractions in the world. This video had millions of views, and then I checked out some other videos on the channel. Each video had hundreds of thousands of views, and the channel had over 2.5 million subscribers. It's called Top 5s. You can check it out for yourself. The shocking thing was that all these videos were faceless. There was no one sitting in front of a camera talking. What? I immediately ran over to Social Blade, which just gives an average of what a YouTube channel makes, by the way, and I saw that this channel makes up to $22,000 every single month. That's a little over $700 every single day. And this is just an estimate. I'm sure it's definitely more than this, including sponsorships and affiliate links. Think about it, you don't need to spend money buying fancy equipment or spend countless hours recording a video and even more hours editing, and you can be making figures like this every single month. How do you get started? I got you. Step 1. Pick a niche. There are hundreds of niches out there, but you have to make sure what you're choosing is something you're sure you won't run out of ideas for. So, it's a good idea to choose a niche you know a lot about or you have a passion for. That way you can consistently churn out content quickly and without hassle. Some good niche ideas are travel, nature, fitness, meditation, animated stories, tutorials, and so on. Step 2. Model successful videos. Once you've found the perfect niche for you, the next step is to look for successful channels in the same niche. Instead of doing trial and error, just use a system that already works and add your own unique touch to it. Now, I didn't say copy everything they're doing. Model the channel, check out their most popular videos to have an idea of what people watch the most in that niche, add your own unique touch, and that's it. Now the fun part. Step 3. Start creating. Thanks to the power of AI, you can create a full-blown faceless YouTube video complete with text, voiceover, and visuals in under 5 minutes. With a tool called InVideo AI, you can literally give a prompt and this tool will write a script, add eye-catching clips and background music, and even do a voiceover. Just head over to ai.invideo.io, create your account, and try it out for yourself. The free version allows you to create videos, but it includes a watermark. So if you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel, you can go ahead and pay for a subscription to remove this watermark and start posting. Number 2. Dropshipping. You must have heard about dropshipping before, but in case you're a super beginner, dropshipping is basically you acting as a middleman between a supplier and a customer, facilitating the whole process through your online store. You don't have to spend your life savings acquiring products or managing inventory. The customer orders from your store, only then you will pay the supplier and they ship directly to the customer, and you enjoy your profits. You don't need any prior experience, and thanks to social media, you don't necessarily need to pay for marketing. So you can literally get started with $0 and earn up to $30,000 a month. No kidding! Here's how you can get started. Step 1. First, you need to have an online store. So head over to Shopify and create an account. The basic package costs only $1 a month. Don't be in a hurry to name your store or pick a domain name yet. We have to find a niche first. Do your research and find a niche that has very good profit potential. For instance, I know things like beauty products for women always sell really well since women love to look good. After you pick a niche you want to sell in, you can go ahead and decide on your store name. You can even use ChatGPT to get some good ideas for store names that will portray your niche. Step 2. Find a winning product, aka market research. You can leverage social media. TikTok is a goldmine for market or product research to find out what's trending and what people are buying in your niche. It's a good idea to look for evergreen products that sell all year round. But you can also follow the current trends, as you can bag big with those as well. You can also make use of Google Trends to see how many people are searching for these products. This process will most likely take the most time to complete. Just take your time with it. You want to make sure that this business actually generates some serious profits. Step 3. Sourcing the product. You can use Alibaba or AliExpress to find your product at a cheap rate to make sure you have a high profit margin. The only issue is you might need to actually buy certain quantities of this product first, and that's okay if you have the budget for that. But since we're trying to spend little or no money, we need an option that allows us to pay after we get an order. For this, let's look at AutoDS. AutoDS allows you to automate your entire dropshipping business from end to end. This tool can actually help you find highly in-demand products and handle sourcing and shipping for you while you only worry about driving traffic to your store. So just create an account on AutoDS, integrate your Shopify store, and then search for your desired product and add it to your online store. Step 4. Finally, it's time to drive traffic to your store. And you can decide to run paid ads for this. Just make sure you create captivating videos that portray the unique selling point of the product. Outline its benefits, include a free gift or discount, and blast it. Alternatively, you can drive traffic organically with social media. I'm sure you must have seen those TikTok made me buy it videos. You can decide to recreate those kinds of videos using the product you're offering and direct people over to your online store from there. Number 3. Pinterest Affiliate Marketing. Pinterest is a social platform that has been around for quite a while. You most likely already have a Pinterest account where you go to look for home decor inspo, outfit ideas, and stuff like that. But do you know you can be using this same Pinterest to make up to $30,000 every single month or even more? How? Pinterest Affiliate Marketing. There are 450 million people using Pinterest every single month. The platform is more like a search engine and a social media platform because the majority of users come there to search for stuff. So if you're not open to becoming a social media influencer, this is a sweet method for you to get tons of free traffic without having to show your face. It's super easy to gain traffic with Pinterest. So how does this work? It's basically you pinning eye-catching or aesthetic pictures of products on your Pinterest, stuff that people will most likely be interested in, then adding an affiliate link that allows you to make a commission when someone buys something using your link. Imagine you post a nice painting, for example, worth $1,000, and you make 20% commission on every referral. That's about $200 for a single sale. Imagine you could make at least 5 sales in a day. That's $1,000 in a single day. That's some cool cash right there. How do you get started? Step 1. Create a Pinterest business account and optimize. If you already have a Pinterest account, that's awesome. Just make sure you change it to a business account in your settings. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. It's super simple and free. Next, make sure your account is SEO optimized so that when someone searches for something in your niche, your account will pop up. You can use ChatGPT for this. Just ask it to write a Pinterest account description that is SEO optimized for your niche. And boom, that's it. Also, include relevant keywords in your account username. Step 2. Pick a niche. Since 76% of Pinterest users are women, a niche that's dominated by women is the perfect way to go. Things around beauty, fashion, interior decor, motherhood, and so on are good niche ideas. Step 3. Register for affiliate programs. Just go on Google and search for brands that offer affiliate programs in your chosen niche and register as an affiliate. It's also really simple and free. Amazon has a very robust affiliate program, and it's a globally known and trusted brand. Plus, they offer a very wide range of products. Register for up to 5 or more affiliate programs and get your affiliate links ready. Step 4. Create and upload pins. The main focus should be on making your pins very aesthetic and high quality, as that's what grabs attention. There are dozens of Pinterest templates on Canva that you can use for free. Just customize, add your product pictures, and download. Then go ahead and upload your pins. Don't forget to add your affiliate links and a short title and description. Make sure you post about 3 to 6 pins every day and be consistent with it, and you will be bagging commissions in no time. Number 4. Training chatbots. Did you know that Facebook Messenger only has up to 3 million chatbots? Ever since the whole AI and ChatGPT frenzy started, businesses have been dying to have their very own chatbot, trained specifically to know everything about their business and interact with customers. So customers no longer have to wait for so long to get their queries answered, as there's only so much we can do as humans. But this chatbot will be available 24/7 to answer customer queries based on data that's fed into it. Pretty cool, huh? Hence, the chatbot industry has skyrocketed tremendously. In fact, it's said to be worth $137 million in 2023. You can make up to $2,000 to $5,000 per client to train custom chatbots for their businesses. The best part is that you don't even need to have a tech or coding skills to be able to do this and make tons of money. You can use a tool called CustomGPT.ai that makes the process a lot easier. You can take information from a business website, upload any relevant articles they have, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and more, and your very own custom chatbot will be created for you. All you need to do is take the link and embed it into your site after you've made all necessary adjustments. That's it. You do have to pay a subscription fee to use this tool, but if you're serious about this, you can get started and make 10 times that fee every single month. Number 5. Logo design. This can be a very profitable business. I figured this out when I saw this shop on Etsy called Macarons and Mimosas. They sell logo packs for about $10 per pack, and they had over 50,000 sales already. That's like $500,000 selling logo packs. And this was one of the lower charging shops. There were others that sold their packs for up to $130. Not to mention places like Fiverr and Upwork where you can also sell the services. And you don't even need to be a graphics designer to create these logos. Midjourney will create a stunning logo for just about any kind of business, and it only costs about $30 a month. You can use apps like Photoshop to adjust the text, and just like that, your logo is ready. Loads of people don't know how easy it is to do, and that's why they will pay you tons of money to do it for them. And as you saw, you don't need any special skills to do this, and you can get started with little or no money. Which of these businesses would you be trying out? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next one.